Okay, answering your second question first, it definitely did live up to all my expectations. When I think last year was the first time we participated in Exito as Neat, and two things that stood out the most for me and the brand itself was, one, the quality of people that come here. It's a very filtered crowd, and the team at Exito really focuses on getting the right people to you, and they also pay a lot of attention to your needs as a brand also. So if I've told them that this particular company and this particular profile is something that I'm looking forward to meet, they make sure that that person comes and meets you as well. So that kind of individual attention and focus that Exito gives to the brand itself, I think that stands out compared to the other CIO events and other organizers that I've worked with. It means a lot to my business, especially for some brand like Neat, because we're only 5 years into the market and we came into India only 3 years ago. So brand awareness and just word of mouth is something which is a really big part of my marketing strategy when I strategize something for Neat. And again, bringing such quality people in under one roof really helps me get into the depths of manufacturing industry in India. I think intentful. So this time we tried to do like a workshop instead of like a presentation in a room, which is basically we had like a luncheon round table where we had 25 of the delegates chosen by us, brought to us by Exito, sit with us throughout the lunch, and we got to take them through the Neat devices and solutions. And I think that was really impactful according to my team and how it went as well. I think either if your company is industry agnostic or if your company focuses on providing solutions for manufacturing, you should definitely participate in a summit organized by Exito because of the reasons that I told you already, the attention and care that they give to the needs that you have as a solution provider. Definitely a yes.